Alright, so we're on Segway, guys. So, Kaniwaba sent me a replacement controller. It got here really fast. So they sent it out last Friday. And it got here yesterday. I didn't have enough time to install it yesterday. Have a little bit of free time now. So you can already see the wires that are in there. That's from the controller that's not working properly. Hopefully this will resolve the issue. The issue that I'm having is when I'm in the mode 0, where it's throttle only, I'm still being held back by the power restriction from the pedal assist and throttle option. So this is supposed to resolve the issue, and we'll see. I don't think I'll be able to get a test ride in this week because I do have plans this Friday. So it's gonna be like the last catfish stocking of the year, so sometimes fishing is a little more important. But yeah, we'll see how things go. In my last video, I didn't kind of show how I situated the box and stuff in here, primarily because I don't have this set up the same way as stock, because my little 12-volt box is different from the factory one. But pretty much these are the wires that go to the switch and the pedal assist sensor, and then this is where it goes in between your throttle wire or throttle box, whichever you're using, and the controller here. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and swap it out with the new one. All right, so I have the bike up on the stand, and so the problem was the power on the throttle in this neutral mode was like, it was like non-existent, and that's because there's a limiting function on the power when you're doing the pedal assist and throttle. So when I was in this mode right here, pedal assist and throttle, even when I throttled it, it felt like the bike had no power. And if I was starting on a hill, the bike just wouldn't even move. So that was a big problem. So let's just test to see if anything's changed. So before, when I throttle it, it would be identical. So let me just do a full throttle, quick blip on the neutral mode or 0 mode, throttle only. A lot more spunky than before. So the bike actually almost wants to jump. Let's put it on the pedal assist and throttle. Okay. So it's clearly running a lot slower on the let's see what happens if I flip the switch in the middle of it. Oh. All right, so it looks like this is working properly. Let me, I'll do a real test ride as soon as I can, when I have another day off. So, but right now, things seem to be working okay. So hopefully I'll get that full-on ride video going again. Yeah, last time I had that SD error, I did a lot of trail stuff, technical stuff to see where this thing stands on the trail. Again, it's not that bad. Clearly it is gauged for people who are commuting, but if you're looking for a legitimate pedal assist that is functional, this is, again, it is the only option out there. So, yeah, 2 thumbs up to Kaniwaba for this kit. Pretty awesome so far. Hopefully when I actually get to riding it, that neutral mode will take me to whatever power mode I had before. If it doesn't, it's probably because I'm running this aftermarket throttle. And there are some issues with the different throttles over the years. They did update their website to show which throttles have issues, so you can tell by the color of your wires whether or not it's going to work. So I think the quick fix on that would just be to get a different throttle, either a generic one and wire it up to the wire it up to the connector, or just buy an older Sauron throttle, or even run the old throttle box with the cable. So we'll see how it goes.